Alright, we're about to head into one of our jobs that had a lot of asbestos in it. You can see everything is covered up. Right there is where we had to pull out the ceiling. And all the ceilings, we had to scrape off the popcorn texture off of the ceilings because they were full of asbestos. Going to here, we had to take out the floor over here. And the ceiling. Looks like part of the containment's coming down. Got a little wet. And if we go into this room, it was full of mold also. Hold on here. So this wall was completely gutted. And this all happened after a storm, where all the water caved in. The wall, it all dripped in through the roof, so caused quite a bit of damage. So make sure you're fixing those roofs. And that is it. Well, I guess pardon the pun, but that's a wrap.